Hi everyone, welcome to the Farming Smarter virtual conference and trade show. We're so excited to have you join us virtually this year. It's a shame we couldn't get together in person, but we'll keep everybody safe this way and hopefully get together next year. This video tutorial is to help you on the platform, how to use it and get your way around. Couple things. On the main lobby, you'll see our social media feed on the left, and below these two videos here are announcements. Make sure to check back throughout the day. There will be information in particular for CCA folks. The QR codes will be posted here each day, so make sure to scan the code, and the sessions will be monitoring attendance, so you need to be present live to be able to receive the credits. On the right-hand side is a chat. Feel free to interact with everybody on the platform over here. The sessions. You find information on the speaker and what's happening at each point throughout the day on the session tab. You can click on each of the different presentations, and when the video is live, this big box here is where you're going to find the content. Click on the bottom left-hand corner to play the video. After you've watched the video, feel free to join us in a live Q&A session in Zoom by clicking this Q&A session under additional sessions. These chats on the right-hand side for each of the presentations are specific for that presenter, so feel free to write your questions in the chat as well. If you don't want to ask your questions live on Zoom, you can comment here and the speakers will get back to you here or in the live chat. For CCAs, this credit here is the information for each credit session. As I mentioned, you need to be present live, and the Pheedloop system will be monitoring attendance. So you have to be here in order to receive the credits. For pesticide applicators, we do have a couple sessions that will have pesticide applicator credits, and you will get a pop-up window that will ask you for your number as well as to tell us what you learned in the session in order to receive your credits. The exhibit hall is where you're going to find all of our fabulous supporters and sponsors. Go over to this tab and interact with our supporters and see what they have to offer. The networking tab, you can connect individually with our speakers, sponsors, exhibitors, and staff. So you can one-on-one connect and do a private chat, or you can set up some group chats and talk amongst yourselves. I really hope you enjoy the event, and we look forward to getting your feedback. Please fill out the evaluation when you see it in your inbox. And we do use this information to continually make our events better. Hope you had a fantastic event, and we'll see you in the field next year.